How to find ad code on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Once you are on this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and open any video from here. Now, tap on the three dots on the right side. Here you can view all the sharing options as well as other options below. Swipe left and tap on Ad Settings. On this page, go to the Ad Settings section and enable ad authorization. Tap on Turn On. Now, select the available period from here and then tap on Authorize at the bottom. Then, tap on Generate beside video code as shown, and then your video code is now ready. Tap on Manage beside it. Here, select Copy Code. You can now share the code with the brand so they can start promoting. Tap on Save at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily find ad code on TikTok.